I already started, but I haven't got very far into this, so I can bring you along. 2018 Chevy Malibu. Really quick, we're just gonna find out where the key is. It's probably gonna be oh, it looks like it's in the middle compartment back here, right here. Pop that baby in there and begin. Okay, so we're gonna read security code. This is BCM. Read pin. Yes. Scanner has to be connected to the internet to complete this. Wi-Fi connected. Awesome. Going back. We got a little reaction from the vehicle. This is likely going to be a 12-minute programming procedure, so I gotta say, I think we can just do an all keys lost, add key. Sometimes on these, they end up making me do onboard, which is where you put the emergency key in the door and turn it 5 times, activate programming mode. But I think we're gonna be all right. I think we're gonna read pin and just go. Sometimes reading pin fails the first time. You gotta disconnect the battery, reconnect it, and then try again, which is kind of time consuming. That's why I kind of hate these calls, because you end up just sitting there burning minutes. But you know, if you want to get paid, don't give up. So cannot read the pin. All right, let's try turning on the ignition while we do it. Knowing how long it's going to take is just so much easier, so I could see why doing onboard programming for these vehicles, especially if you have the emergency key, is a lot easier. Also, always want to put out there, if you have 2 keys, you can add a third. So if you lose one, you still have 2 keys and you can add that third back in. You can do it yourself at home even. Okay, can't read pin. We're going to try to disconnect and reconnect the battery, and if that doesn't work, then always put your tools back, people. And then if you want to program in your own key, you can do so with the instructions in here. I'll show you them. Okay, programming without recognized transmitters. And then on your driver information center, your dash, it'll say remote learn pending, and then press start stop, and then it'll display that again, and you repeat that 2 more times. And then when you repeat it the 3rd time, it'll say ready for remote, and it'll learn the remote. All right, so we can't repin, so we just wasted our time spinning our wheels doing that, which sucks, but it is, you know, it bypasses 30 minutes if we could have done it. Okay, transmitter's already in there. We have adequate battery charge. Then to pop this off, you want to go under here and just kind of press up on it. And it'll kind of come out like that. And stick your key in counterclockwise 5 times. Oh, and get our alarm ready. It's always good to have your alarm ready. Minutes. And our dash will say remote learn pending. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Please wait. And you'll start your clock. And then we'll do this 3 times. Anyways, I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay. As you can see, it says press engine start to learn. So we're going to press that, and it's going to say remote learning pending again. Okay, another 10 minutes, baby.
Hello?
All right, we're coming up on the next 10 minutes, and our light should pop on and say press the start button any second now. Okay, there it is. Bingo. All right, so we're going to do that again. We're going to hit the start button again. It says remote learn pending. This will be our last one. Restart this baby. Cool. Okay, we're back, and I've got the key already in the slot, so we got 13 seconds. So this should be flashing up any moment, and that was the last one. So engine, remote start to learn, we're going to click the button, and it should add a remote in. 2 remotes. Awesome. So as you can see, that added that remote, and we're all done. Now we can just hold our start button for 12 seconds. Don't forget to click that button a second time and get your key in. Okay, you click it once, it's ready for remote. You click it again, it programs in the remote. All right, 12 seconds off. Now we're done. And now our key should, in theory, work. Awesome. And our dash should come on, at least to the on position. No, we gotta get in there, but at least it's not saying key fob not detected. So anyways, that's it, all done. All right, so if you get as far as you programmed your key in and the engine is starting, but it's bringing up a anti-theft light. All right, the hood's open so you can't see it, but it says oh, there it is. All right, hopefully you can see that anti-theft light. You're just gonna disconnect the battery and reconnect it. Obviously you don't want to do this if the engine's on. God damn, I think I fucked up. Shit. Okay, cool. Somehow I'm getting really lucky. All right, so somehow I wasn't out of programming mode, and we got that second key back in, so that should take care of it. Whew, wow, I got a gift from the Lord right there. Thank God. All right, you're gonna hold your button for 12 seconds, and now you shouldn't be in Programming mode. Set our original key over there. There's our anti-theft light. Out. Perfect. Done. All right. Wow, I got really lucky there.